Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the Balansea front pocket wallet. You can get this product on Amazon for about $25. Check out the link in the description. It's just a small front pocket wallet, but there's enough space for your cards, cash and other stuff. Everything fits pretty good and you don't have to worry about losing your coins. I tested this wallet for a couple of days and I think it's a very good product. It's a slim and lightweight, good quality wallet and it keeps my cards and cash safe. So if you're looking for a good quality front pocket wallet with RFID blocking, I would recommend the Balansea front pocket wallet. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.